Good morning, students. I am Mrs. Dhanashri Kulkarni from MS Kothari Academy. Lesson number 4, Environmental Management. Sacred Groves. In Marathi, we are calling it as a Devrai. Sacred groves, the forest conserved in the name of God and considered to be sacred, is called as sacred groves. These are in fact sanctuaries conserved by the societies and not by the government forest department. As it has been conserved in the name of the God, it has special protection. These clusters of thick forest are present not only in the western Ghats of India but in the entire country. More than 13,000 sacred groves have been reported in India. With the help of this chart, we can understand why it is important to conserve these sacred groves. We will see how we can conserve the biodiversity. First, by protecting the rare species of organism. Second, establishing national parks and sanctuaries. Third, declaring some region as a bioreserve. Fourth, project for conservation of special species. Fifth, conserving all plants and animals. Sixth, observing the rule. And seventh, maintaining record of traditional knowledge. Students, you can add some more points because this question can be asked as a personal response question. Now, we will learn some symbols which are in relation to the environment conservation. The first symbol you can see is a save water, or the sustainable use of water is necessary for future. The first symbol is for giving the message reduce, reuse and recycle. This is important mantra for the utilization of natural resources. The next symbol tells us to save electricity. If electricity is carefully used, we can save our natural resources. Use of bicycles means use of green energy. By riding on a bicycle, we save on fuel and use our own muscular energy. It is the best eco-friendly, non-polluting vehicle. The solar energy is a renewable energy option which is very easily available in country like India. By using solar energy, we can replace the polluting and exhaustible fuel. Therefore, pollution can be reduced. Due to such symbols, important messages about environment conservation reach us and we can change ourselves into more eco-friendly person. This symbol tells us to keep our waste carefully. The garbage should not be thrown anywhere, but it should be properly managed. Waste, if managed properly, can be a health. You can make a list of other such symbols. As it is a personal response question, you have to add your points in that. Attempts at various levels are performed for conserving environment. Role of a person is defined as per this level. So here you can select this role, that is my role in environment. You can control, you can conserve, you can produce. There may be awareness, there may be prevention or preservation. Dear student, it was 5 marks question which was asked in the SSC board exam. The conservation means conserving on available natural resources, control, preventing the harm, stopping the harmful activities, changing the mindset, production, revival of harm factors of environment, attempting innovation. In the awareness, you can write about education, guidance, awareness, imitation, organization and participation. In preservation, you can write how the preserving of species may be there, remedies to prevent further loss and preventing unknown region. So here, with the help of this point, you can add your own point but stick to the points which are given in the textbook. Hotspots of biodiversity. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots are reported all over the world. Such areas had been occupied 15.7% area of the earth. At present, 86% of the sensitive area are already destroyed. Presently, only 2.3% area of the earth has been left over with sensitive spots. It includes 1,50,000 plant species, which are 50% of the world count. As far as India is considered, out of 135 species of animal, 85 species are found in the jungles of eastern region.
3 endangered heritage places of the country. The Western Ghat, spread over the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, has been endangered due to mining industry and search for natural gas. Habitat of Asiatic lion and wild bison of this region have been under threatened. Manas Sanctuary of Assam is under the threat due to the dam and indiscriminate use of water. Tiger and rhino of that region are under threat. Sundarban Sanctuary of West Bengal is reserved for tigers. However, the tiger population and overall local environment is seriously challenged by dam, deforestation, excessive fishing, trenches dug for the same.
Classification of threatened species. First is the endangered species. Either number of this organism is declined or their habitat is shrunk to such an extent that they can be extinct in near further future if conservative measures are not implemented. Example, lion-tailed monkey. Rare species. Number of this organism is considerably declined. Organism of this species being endemic may become extinct very fast. For example, red panda, musk deer. Vulnerable species. Number of this organism is extremely less and continues to decline. Continuous decline in their number is worrisome reason. Example, tiger, lion. Intermediate species. This organism appear to be endangered, but due to their some behavioral habitats like a shyness, there is no definite and sustainable information. Example, giant squirrel or shekru. In our Maharashtra, in Bhima Shankar, we can see the shekru.
Hope you have understood the lesson. Thank you.